In this video, we're going to show you how to download Iris shaders on Minecraft. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can just Google Iris shader on your on Google, and you're going to find a lot, but it's going to be confusing. But the easiest way is just have CurseForge. As you can see, we're opening CurseForge right now. And see my mod packs. What you want to do is click on browse, and after browse, if you type Iris mod pack, Iris shaders, you're not gonna see anything, right? But because it's mod packs. But if you go to all, as you can see here, you're gonna see Iris shaders. You will say update to versions of Iris has moved. So versions of Iris on this page are outdated. Please download Iris from Modrinth or irisshaders.dev. So you can just go to these websites and yeah, so just download here now. Download now. And here you're gonna download the download universal jar, and you can just install it in your Minecraft. You need to have Optifine though for this to work. For any shaders to work, you need to have Optifine. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.